Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize the build number, which is right here, and all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see the information that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter System and Updates and tap on the developer options. They should appear in this last section. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the GPU rendering, we can show pointer location, here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, etc. So quite a lot of options to customize. If you want to turn on the option, it basically works just like in the regular options or settings. Simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're also done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list to find this switcher. After tapping on it, you will be automatically transferred to System and Updates, and the developer options will not be visible, which means that we just successfully turned them off. However, of course, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.